rear brake installation of Manong Alex, owner of Aleka Auto Shop, Haines Road in Mississauga. Mga kababayan in Toronto, the province of Ontario, punta na kayo rito. Manong Alex, Kabsat Ilocano dito eh. Tightening of bolts.